Hi, my name is Celeste Peterson, and I'm a fellow at Harvard University studying microbial biofilm communities. So I'm profiling the bacterial communities by looking at their 16S sequence and how this sequence changes over time and space. And to do that, I'm using DGGE. This is not a normal acrylamide gel. It needs to be kept at 60 degrees when it's run, and the buffer needs to be pumped continuously. So we're going to warm up the buffer for about an hour until it's at 60 degrees, and then we can run the gel. Now I'm going to wash this plate with dilute alkanox solution, feeling around for impurities and dried acrylamide and things like that. Anything like that can cause irregularities in the gel. It's important to wipe off all the water. So when I assemble the gel, I will put that chip on the outside of the gel. So the gel will be in between these two pieces of glass, and the chip will be on the outside, and it won't affect the gel in between. So now I'm going to assemble the gel in these clamps. And then I squeeze them together and tighten by turning to the right.